always wanted to create a safe and nurturing space for women. I want a place where women could dive deeper into a holistic and introspective journey to their true beauty. Their beauty extends way beyond how they look. Beauty is just so emphasized in our society to be all about what we look like. There's this strive for perfection, all of these things that make us feel like we're not good enough. And until we rise up and have a revolution against that mindset, and we change that, it's not going to change. That is my mission, to create a space to where we can redefine who we are. We can redefine what we want. We can figure out who we are as unique, beautiful, individual women.
When you are heartfelt and generous from your heart and you give of your energy, you are beautiful.
We can improve how we feel.
You need to be in the kind of shape, being able to breathe, being able to think, being able to function, being able to rationalize before you can help anybody else.
It's about what we need, and it is about basing our decisions on us. Maybe you don't really feel comfortable sharing with your friends or family that you really want to change your life. Maybe this is like an inside job for you, but you do know that you need support and help in making those changes. I want you to write down what it is that you want in a relationship. Like, what qualities do you want in a relationship? And so I was like, unconditional love. I want somebody trustworthy. Okay, so do you love yourself unconditionally? And I was like, oh, wow, that's a big
That would be a no.
Exactly. No. How many times do I beat myself up a day? Do you trust yourself? Are you empathetic to yourself? All the things that you want in a partner, because you are going to attract who you are, not necessarily what you want. I mean, that changed my life, because that is when I said, okay, it took my work as a coach to the next level, and it took my life to a much better place, because I started living my life and treating myself the way that I want to be treated. It's about rising up, being true to who we are. And if we don't know who we are, figuring it out. And that's all right too. And just creating a yummy life.
Open your arms and extend and feel the energy around you, the space, and then close your arms and take yourself in. Take yourself in and just say, I love myself. I love you, tell yourself. And I love you, Michelle.
It's time to bravely and boldly claim the life you were destined to live.